Hello everyone, this is Supriya Das Francis. I'm your Vedic Math trainer for today, and today we are going to see how multiplication can happen in different way. Again, we are back to two-digit number, and we'll see how easy it is to multiply any number with 9 where we are not actually multiplying. Then what we are doing? Let's see, let's find out. So let me share. Meanwhile, be ready with your pen and paper, and you can come along, write along and practice it. Write down along with me all the numbers so that you can be focused and see what exactly is happening in the class. Yes, I have moved ahead by 2 slides. Yeah, here we are. Multiplying with 9. This is called series of 9, and you'll see the same kind of trend happening. So please pay attention in the beginning so you will understand the concept. Now here we are trying to multiply 79 with 9. Instead of multiplying directly, what we are doing, we are converting 9 into 10. 9 can also be written in as 10 minus 1. In this case, we are multiplying 79 with 10 and 79 with 1. So 790 minus 79 is 711, and that's what is your answer. Very easy. This is 53 multiplied by 9. What we'll be doing? 53 multiplied by 10 minus 1. So 53, when you multiply with 10, this will be 530 minus 53 ones are 53. So you have to subtract 530. From 530, you will be subtracting 53. So what your answer is going to be? Your answer is going to be very, very easy. This is 530 minus 53 will give you 477, isn't it? That's how we are going to practice. So I'm not going back to whiteboard to practice this because I know it's very easy and you can solve it. So I'm moving ahead with another set of number, and here we are multiplying with, as I said, this is series of 9. From 1 we'll move to 2. This is double 9. So what we are doing, we are multiplying with same thing because double 9 can also be written as 100 minus 1. So what we did, same step, 876 we are multiplying with 99. So 876 multiplied by 100 will give you 87,600 minus 876 multiplied by 1 is 876, and here is the answer, 86724. Now here, if you did not understand the concept, let's move to whiteboard and you'll understand it very well. So please be attentive because this is the same method you'll be using for 999, 4 times 9, 5 times 9. Let's see. Now I'll take a bigger number like, 25846 multiplied by 999 I'm doing. Okay. Very, very easy. And what we are doing is yes, very simple. We will write first number as it is, 25846, and we'll multiply it with, this can also be written as 1000 minus 1. Here we are. Now next step, 25846. We just need to add 3 zeros behind this and you got the multiplication. Now next is 25846 multiplied by 1 is this. Now what your answer is going to be? This is 10 minus 6 is 4. Then 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. And here, from here, it will be 5. 1 sec. Let me do it again. 10 minus 6 is 4. Then 9 minus 4 is 5. And 9 minus 8 is 1. Then 5 minus 5 is 0. So we'll move ahead, 0. And 4852 will remain same. So we are going to write 4 and 8 and 5 and 2. Here's the answer. Done. There's no addition, subtraction, addition, multiplication, number of time you need to multiply and add. Nothing is required in one simple step. And once you start practicing it, believe me, you can do it mentally. It's so very easy to do mentally. You just need to practice. Practice the sums which is given to you on the main screen. But make sure that you must practice with timer so that you understand how long it takes for you to understand these sums and how accurate your answers are. You need to have correct answers. You cannot mess up with this. So keep practicing. Here we will move to next slide and see some questions related to 999. Now here also what we are doing, same thing as I have shown you in the example. This is 1000 minus 1 will be doing. This is 1000 minus 1 multiplied and subtract, and you got the answer. Very simple step. So my dear students, what I expect from you is regular practice, timing your practice and finding out if your answers are correct or not. With this, I end this video, hoping that you'll be practicing, and you are the best learners. Self-learners are the best learner, my dear student. So you don't need your parents' support, you don't need your teacher's support, you don't need anyone around to guide you to do these sums. Just watch the video. Wherever you feel you did not understand, please pause the video and then move ahead. Solve the sum with me. You'll understand it very well. So I close my class today. Thank you very much for watching me, being with me and solving the sums with me. We'll meet again and take care. Till then, keep learning. Happy learning, children. See you. Bye-bye.